Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with TK, and today you guys, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious southern fried fish sandwich. That's right, this fish sandwich is delicious, and I have a special sauce that I like to put on my southern fried fish sandwiches. Okay, for my southern fried fish, I'm using tilapia. The first thing I do is preheat my vegetable oil. You can use canola oil if you like, to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we are going to season our tilapia. Make sure that you have rinsed your fish extremely well. Season with salt on both sides, black pepper on both sides, okay? And don't go overboard with the salt, okay? Next, we are going to use some Old Bay seasoning. If you don't have Old Bay, use some Slap Your Mama seasoning, some Louisiana Creole seasoning, okay, or some Tony Saturates. The fish batter that I am using is Louisiana Cajun fish fry. You can use whatever type of fish batter you like, but this is the fish batter of choice, and trust me, you guys, it is very delicious. Okay, so put your fish batter into a plate or a container, or you can use a Ziploc bag to batter your fish. Roll your fish into the fish fry batter on both sides. You see, I'm pressing my fish down on both sides. This is a easy way to get your fish coated really well, okay? And make sure that you shake off any excess fish batter. Once your oil has heated up properly to 350 degrees, lower your fish into the batter without splattering your grease in your deep fryer, or if you're using your stove top. No one wants to get burned. Fry your fish for 8 minutes. I like to put homemade coleslaw on my fish sandwich. So here I have some coleslaw mix from the store. Salt, black pepper, sprinkle it with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. That's what I have, but use vinegar. And I'm going to use about a tablespoon of lemon juice. The acidity just wakes everything up. And I am going to use me some mayo, okay? For the mayo, I put in about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of mayo in this coleslaw mixture. I didn't use a whole bag. I used about a half a bag. Okay, next I'm going to make some sauce for my fish. I am using tartar sauce. I'm going to mix some Old Bay seasoning, hot sauce, Old Bay seasoning hot sauce into my tartar sauce, and I'm using some mayo. And I am going to mix this together, and this will be my sauce, the special sauce that I like to use for my fried fish sandwiches. And even if you don't want to have a fish sandwich, everybody knows that this is the go-to sauce to dip your fish in. Ooh-wee! Y'all need to try that. Okay, now let's move on. After our fish has cooked at 350 degrees, deep fried for 7 to 8 minutes, no longer, because you don't want to burn your fish. It is very easy to burn fish. We place it on a cooling rack. I don't place it directly onto the paper towel because it can stick, cause your fish to get soggy. So place it on a cooling rack the same way you would if you were frying pork chop, fried chicken wings, okay? But make sure that your fish is cooked evenly and cooked properly. I think the temperature would be like 145 to 146 degrees if you want to use a thermometer. Now, let's go ahead and let's assemble our burger. Now, for my fried tilapia sandwich, I like to add cheese just like they do the Filet-O-Fish at McDonald's, but mine tastes better. I'm sorry, McDonald's, I had to tell you that. Spread your top bun, which I'm using a brioche bun, with the special sauce, our fried fish sauce, that consists of tartar sauce, the Old Bay hot sauce, and some mustard that we mix together, okay? You guys have got to try this sauce for your fish. It is very delicious. It's amazing. Kicks up that heat. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. And it's not just any hot sauce. It has to be the Old Bay hot sauce. Okay? Do you guys see how beautiful that fish is? This is my last piece that I am taking out. And I want to show you guys how this fish looks. Woo-wee. And it's not dried out. Trust me, you guys, it was cooked perfectly. Follow those steps and you too will have some delicious, perfect fried tilapia as well. Okay? Make sure that you do not over fry fish, and it is easy to do. Next step, I am going to use some coleslaw, and I place that on the top of the bottom bun where I use the sliced cheese. Just now, if you don't want the sliced cheese, you guys don't have to use that. Remember that. This is how I like my southern fried fish sandwich. But you guys can make yours any way that you like it. But this recipe here is delicious, okay? So on top of the coleslaw, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our tomato. Yes, I'm using me some tomatoes. You can slice yours how thick or thin you would like for your fried fish sandwich, okay? When I was growing up, the fried fish plates that the lady used to make around the corner, everybody would go to in the neighborhood. Back then, baby, it was just hot sauce, coleslaw, light bread, bam, and that was your fish sandwich. But those were some of the best pieces of fish you could ever eat. They would go down to the lake, creek, pond, and they would fish. You would have some mullet, brim, catfish, you know, the fish of choice. Okay, also we're going to place some onions on this sandwich. That's how we do it down here in the South. We serve our fish with a side of pickles and onions. But I'm placing mine on my sandwich. You guys have got to try your fried fish sandwich this way. You would love it. You will enjoy it. And if you're doing this for a restaurant to get paid, trust me, they'll be coming back. Woo, I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial on how to make a delicious southern fried fish sandwich with a delicious sauce that everyone in your household, your friends and family, your co-workers would enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below on how you like to make your fried fish sandwich. Have a great day.